Hi guys, welcome to Marietta's Yarland. Today I'm starting a new project, a crocheting scarf with a puff stitch. I love this stitch and I had two skeins with a very warm and puffy yarn, so I'm thinking to be useful for this project. I use a hook with number 4/2 in the USA 7 number, and for the pattern for this stitch use stitches multiple of 4 and 10 more stitches for the edge, 5 stitches for the left edge, 5 stitches for the right edge, and I made 10 repeats of the doisy, and so I made 40 plus 10, 50 stitches. Will be in common as the project work, and I hope that the result will be puffy, warm and beautiful. Thank you very much. Happy stitches to all of you. Thanks for the following the project. Bye bye from Marietta's Yarland.